Best, fidget, spinner in the world. What is up, YouTube? This is JP of MJ Majik, and I'm up early for a change. So I just had my breakfast, and now I'm thinking of going back to sleep. You see, later will be day 7. Yeah, day 7 of my back to shape journey, and we're back to doing chest and triceps. Booyah. So I'm thinking of sleeping a bit more and then maybe wake up at around 3 and then hang out at the mall until my gym session, which is at 6. So, oh, by the way, remember the pool at my mom's condo? Check it out. It's dried up. Yeah, they're doing renovations apparently. My mom said they're trying to make it prettier. It'll be out for, I think, 3 months, which sucks. So yeah, I'm going back to bed. Oh, and by the way, you'll get to see the world's best fidget spinner later on in the vlog, so stay tuned for that one. And then I'll see you guys after, what time is it? 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3. I'll see you guys in 8 hours. See ya. So my gym session is at 7:30 and it's already 7:25. Good luck to me. Lobby. No matter how late you are, you have to remember to warm up. Done with my workout, now time for some nitro. Finally done with the gym, with my workout. Now it's time to go to the mall and eat. Cause I'm starving.
Prince Street, August 14th, a Soho bar, a speakeasy. It's you and me and I'm feeling free. It's crazy how everyone lives out like that.
So I am here at Coffee Bean for my dinner. And look who's back. Strong half. Gains. Okay, so I'm just over here and trying to learn some new tricks. Hopefully I can do those tricks for you guys in a street magic vlog, so fingers crossed. Okay, so I just had dinner, watched a few tricks of Cody Nottingham, and for you aspiring magicians out there, look up Cody Nottingham. He has some great materials. Anyway, time for me to go home, and because of the new law that you can't have anything on the dashboard, no montage, so I'll see you when I get back to the condo. Home. Okay, finally home, so I guess there's really nothing else left to do but to show you who is the best fidget spinner in the world. It's me. Hashtag duh. Cue the most amazing fidget spinner montage ever. So yeah, I wasn't lying. I am the best fidget spinner. Yeah. Okay, so I haven't shown you guys any tricks as of late, so here's one that I just learned, and if I mess up, then I mess up. But here it goes.
Yeah, baby girl, you're so damn fine, though. Wanna know if I can hit it from behind, though. I'm sipping on you like some fine wine, though. When it's over, I press rewind, though. Talking bands, I got it. Benjamins in my pocket. I traded my truth for some robbers, and he's playing Batman, but he's gonna rob him. Yeah, I got the Glock in my bra.
Anyway, that's the vlog. So yeah, it wasn't really a long vlog, but I got a lot done in one day. I got gym day 7 out of the way, and we did chest and triceps with heavy weights and low reps. And yeah, as you saw, I still have a hard time lifting heavy weights, but I'll get my strength back. don't you worry. And for dinner, I went to Coffee Bean and just ate a sardine and garlic linguine pasta. And then I watched a little bit of magic tutorials, and the trick that you just saw was from that lecture. So if you liked it, comment down below and I'll do more ring tricks in the future. Also, I know I still haven't done a street magic vlog, so yeah, I'll definitely do one, but it's just hard to get the schedules of my friends in sync with mine, because they have stuff to do, I have stuff to do, so yeah. But rest assured, once we have our schedules aligned, I will give you that street magic vlog, I promise. So yeah, so that was the vlog. If you liked it, give it a big thumbs up and comment down below what was your favorite part of the vlog. And also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click on the notification bell to get notified once we upload new vlogs. So yeah. Anyway, that's it. So until the next vlog, guys, always remember, stop dreaming and start doing. See you guys on the next vlog.